Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by turning on the keyboard you'll use. This gets you typing immediately. Open Settings, go to Languages and Input, then tap Virtual Keyboard to select or add an app. Once added, grant simple permissions like clipboard and microphone so features work. This matters because permissions enable suggested text and voice typing. Once done, switch it as default and test in a messaging app to confirm input appears. Make sure the keyboard layout matches your handedness and language. Now you optimize how you type by adjusting layout and shortcuts. Select one-handed or split mode if you tap with a thumb. Increase key size for fewer mistakes. Turn on autocorrect and predictive suggestions to save keystrokes and enable swipe typing if you prefer sliding. Add common phrases to your personal dictionary and create text replacements for long responses. Once set, try composing a quick sentence to train predictions. This improves accuracy the more you use it. Finish by learning advanced features and handling hiccups so you stay productive. Use voice typing for fast notes and the clipboard manager to paste multiple items. Try a floating keyboard to position keys where you see them best. If typing lags or suggestions go wrong, clear the keyboard app cache or reset its data first. If problems persist, reinstall or switch apps. That often fixes persistent bugs. Remember, frequent usage retrains predictions, so keep using the keyboard for steady improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.